Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is MJ and today we are looking at Project Cadillac. A few months ago I bought the Cadillac ATS, the cheapest one in the country, and it was wrecked. The airbags were deployed and the seatbelts were stuck. In this video we're going to try to replace the seatbelts with new seatbelts I got from LKQ Ontario, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in and let's First thing to start with is all of the siding on the doors. It's mostly plastic, so just be careful. I use a rubber pry tool, and for areas that are too hard, a screwdriver to just pry it out a bit. Some places will need to be clamped together to get the clamp off, like you see in the video here. Just be careful with everything. It should come off fairly easy. Next up, there are two T30 bolts, one at the bottom and one at the top, right around the shoulder area. Once you get that off, you need a 10mm socket to remove the bolt on the driver's seat. Also going to need to remove the clamps that are located below the screw once you get the top T30 off. Once that is, I save my clamp to use it on the new seat belt, and then it's time to insert the new one. Disconnect the old electrical cord that came with it and then set it in place just like the old one. You can't mess this up because these things generally only go one way. Once you have it set up, put the screws back as you took them out. Make sure all the clips are put back. Basically do everything you did to take it out and set it back to its right place. I sometimes like to thread stuff in by hand just so that I know it's going in right before I attack it with a screwdriver.